See, that water looks so good. It was hot out there today.
It was in the 90s again today, so that's 2 in a row. And
Wow.
you remember last weekend it was kind of cold and dreary.
Yes.
Now we just had summer turn on like that.
That was quick. It's not. Sometimes it's not this early. Sometimes we kind of still have cold Memorial days.
We can still have that cold air settle in, but it's just hot out
Not
there.
this time,
I am a fan of a lazy river though at Waterworld.
Yeah, that sounds
big
good,
time.
right?
Outside now. It's a little bit cloudy across the Front Range, and you see here at Elitch's, another place where lots of fun has been had today. We have the clouds here across the Front Range, up into the mountains as well. These have moved in the last few hours, but it'll still be mild tonight. We're not expecting any thunderstorm activity. Now tomorrow we are. It'll be another toasty Sunday here for the Denver area. Storms mostly across the eastern plains, and I'll show you where we have the highest risk for severe storms tomorrow in just a minute, but we will have storms showing up Monday afternoon here across the Front Range and the plains. Temperatures today made it into the low 90s. Our record today is 95 degrees, so we were just a little bit shy of breaking that record. Yesterday we tied our high of 91 degrees, that record there, as 70s and 80s for the mountains and 90s for the western slope. Much warmer here for southeastern Colorado, upper 90s for highs, and mostly this cloud cover just coming in from the south. Other than that, we really haven't seen much in the way of moisture, which is why we need some rain to move through to help with this fire danger. We have a fire weather warning in effect for the rest of tonight and then again for tomorrow, all the way up from Steamboat Springs down toward Alamosa and Trinidad. It does extend west of the divide from Eagle all the way back toward Grand Junction. So keep that in mind if you're camping in these areas, to be very aware that fire danger is very high. Right now we have hot temperatures out there, 89 in DIA, 87 in Aurora, 84 in Lakewood, and 84 in Longmont. Tonight for the rest of the night, we'll really still stay mild here through 8:30. Temperatures hovering around 80 degrees. We'll drop into the 60s and 70s by the time we get toward 11 o'clock, and just a few high clouds passing on through the area through the rest of tonight. 55 will be our overnight low, mostly clear skies and mild conditions. Our lows by tomorrow morning, mostly in the 50s and 60s here. We'll have 30s and 40s for the mountains, 50s for the western slope. Here's a camping forecast if you're going camping near Vail. For tomorrow, 73 degrees for a high, partly cloudy skies. Chance for a few scattered showers Monday night, but highs in the upper 60s. We really have perfect camping weather here for the next few days. It'll be partly cloudy and hot tomorrow, highs in the upper 80s, so great pool weather as well here around Denver. It'll be partly cloudy to start out in the morning tomorrow, and then we'll see some clearing into the afternoon. It'll be sunny and warm, and then thunderstorm activity starts to develop here for the eastern plains, and this will be by the evening. Looks like some of them could be strong up towards Sterling, so we're keeping a close eye on that. This is our Sunday severe weather outlook. Heavy rain and hail a possibility, but here in Denver it looks like temperatures will warm into the 80s once again for the afternoon and evening. We'll keep that rain across the eastern plains, and our high will be about 88 degrees and those storms off to the east. But I also wanted to show you not only the highs in the upper 80s and 90s here for southeastern Colorado tomorrow, but for the Boulder, we'll have temperatures in the 50s on Monday morning and then 60s by 9 a.m., 72 with mostly cloudy skies by noon and chances for showers in the afternoon and evening. This is our Monday severe weather outlook. We have chances for hail and high wind here across the plains, so keep that in mind later in the day. Our 7-day forecast keeping us in the 70s Monday and Tuesday with chances for storms. Then we're in the 80s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and even next Saturday we'll have